Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, which I am obsessed. Like, I love all new releases, but this week I'm obsessed. So let's go ahead and get into it. All of these releases will be available at Wednesday at noon Eastern. Also, don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the mystery, definitely do so. This year's mystery is fire. So let's go ahead and start at the top. We do have some new doodles this week. I think we have 10. So this is 841, which is like an airplane pillow, 842 suitcase, 843 a camera, 844 a sleep mask, 845 headphones, 846 a charger, 847 an iPad or like a Kindle, 848 plane tickets, 849 a bookmark, and then 850 a book stack. So those are some new doodles. Then we also do have some characters this week. We do have was this supposed to be Dumbledore? Yeah, I think so. I was like, is that supposed to be Gandalf? Actually, it might be Gandalf. I think I might have messed up whenever I sorted them through. But you have a Wizard of Sorts, 149. And then you have 150, which is supposed to be Bellatrix. And then 151, which is Hagrid. 152, which is Hedwig. And then 153, which is Professor Umbridge. Also have a new Scribbler for this week. This one's kind of like sad, disappointed. So sad. So sad. And this is number 77. We also do have a new color of the week this week. So this is color number 95, which is a really fun, like super fine, almost like a silverish goldish also in there, but like a pink glitter, which I thought was so fun. And I have been having so much fun with the new color of the week colors. There's a bunch of really fun ones coming, a lot of requests by y'all. So all the sheets that I'm showing you right now, the doodles, are available a la carte or also available in bundle form, which is usually the preferred, and it goes up to number 15, which is one of the newer sheets. It's so pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day, spring, summer. And then there is also the Scribbler sheets, which these Scribbler sheets are available a la carte. I usually like to have about 3 of them on hand because I feel like I use so many of them in each spread that I pair them with. So that is the color of the week. The color of the week is available Wednesday through Sunday only. Then we have some new foil bundles for this week, and I picked them specifically because I think they would look really good with the kits I'm releasing this week. So they are both groovy bundles, and there will be also, if you want to pick up the a la carte groovy quotes, there will be matching ones so you can mix and match and do all of the fun things. So I will show you one of these. I'm probably going to show you in this because you'll be able to see it better. We also listed, if you missed it last week, the gold hollow wave, but this is a really pretty, it's like a magenta hollow. Super lovely. You get 4 of these sheets, 2 of the bougie sheets, which are so pretty, the icons and scripts, as well as the 15 millimeter strips, the headers, the deco, as well as the date numbers. So that is the first color. And then the second color is a fun, unique new color. Let me show you. It's like a wavy hollow. Just so fun. Can you see it? Let me actually pull out my flashlight because the studio light's really, there we go, really dim it down a little, but it's so fun. So like I said, both of those will be available and they'll be on the special pricing through Sunday. And they also will have the option if you want to do any quotes, those will be available as well in the same foil colors. So these will be in the listing with that, and then these will be with the gold hollow wave. But these are so fun, and I'll be referencing back to those in a minute. We also will be restocking the doodle grab bags. This is just an example of what you can get. Of course, with all the grab bags, that is the way it goes, but it could be from like our regular doodles. This one is from the colorful version, or it could be from colors of the week. Just some doodle sheets. I will say most of them are probably going to be from colors of the week, but super fun. Easy to bring in, especially if you are a Franken planner. So those will be available Wednesday. And then let's get into the kits for this week. I am so excited. So excited. So first things first, I'm going between this kit and the next kit for my birthday because I think I also have the week before that I think I get the week before or week after where I could also do another birthday kit for myself. But this is Dream Plan Do, and I think this is so pretty. There's 2 different colorways, and I went back and forth because I really love them both. I'll probably use the other colorway in the future, but this one I was like, it is so pretty. It almost gives me like Barbie vibes plus purple, and I am just obsessed with this collection. And I think it would look so cute with either the like magenta hollow, like how fun would that be, but also be so cute with this like wavy hollow. Both fantastic options. The colors are phenomenal. They printed even better than they looked on the computer screen. I love the patterns. I love the smiley faces, the checkered. It matches perfectly with the bundle. Ugh, it's going to be so stinking good. I love it. Freebie and Ultimate Mini is a tall fashion box, but all of the kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini, and they're all just so good. Okay, so this is the Ultimate kit. Also comes in a Mini, and let me show you the add-on options. So there is Doodle, there is Functional, there is Ombre, there is Label, as well as Label 2, which is like a lighter pink. And then we also do have Fam. So the Fam has all full boxes. There's no tall boxes. So you have these 3 fashion options, as well as like the hand writing the little checklist. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So good, so beautiful, so pretty, so like quintessential planner fashion gal. And I am obsessed. I just love every part of it. And again, I think these would both go really good with that. Then we're going to move into the other kit that I was like, this reminds me of Taylor Swift Midnights, and I just am having my Taylor Swift year. So I feel like this one would also be so good with this one, like beyond good. Like it's like the option, I think, for this one. I don't really know about this one, but I think that this one would look really good. Let's look and see if there's any other colors that I have of the Groovy to release that would look good with this one as well. Again, so stinking pretty. It is recoloring. I think it was called Birthday Queen. And I did change up like the boxes so they do look different. And I just think it is phenomenal. Again, it reminds me of Midnights from Taylor Swift. I think that would be really cute for like the birthday, and then have some quotes with that in it just to kind of pull it in. The freebie is the alternate skin tone options for those. And y'all, I'm just obsessed. I think it's such a cute, pretty kit. It could be used for like New Year's, but I think it's perfect for like a birthday. I just think it's so pretty. Then you have the mini kit, and then add-on options. You do have the Doodle, you have the Functional, Ombre, Label 2, which is like a lighter purple. You could totally, like, if you're not big on the green, you could switch it out for the light purple, or if you want to maybe switch that one out, or if you want to make it all a little bit lighter. Really pretty color. And then there is also fashion options. So this is Fam 1, so you're going to have a tall box and 2 full boxes on these. Then you have Fam 2, so you have a different option for the tall there. Fam 3, Fam 4, another different option for Fam 5 for the tall, and then Fam 6. I personally just am obsessed with this gal, so I might just use her, TBH. TBH. But also the fashion option in here is another one of my favorites of all time. So that again is Birthday Babe. I don't know if I actually said the name, but that's Birthday Babe. And then last but certainly not least is Eras. There is the Midnights collection in shop as well, and this one is very like Eras Tour inspired art, super cute. I had Jess do some papers for me for this because I really wanted like a paper of all of like the confetti. I thought that'd be really cute to have underneath everything. That's very just like iconic for the Eras Tour. Tried to pair up the boxes so they all made sense and looked really cute together, and I am just obsessed with this. Again, I think that even this like will be really cute with this Groovy foil bundle, but I also think it'd be really pretty with like fireworks or anything like that, like a tinsel foil, but also be really pretty with a black foil because there's a lot of black in the full boxes, but not a lot of black here. So I think a black foil would be really cool, like a sparkly black would be fun. Lots of options. Hollow, lavender hollow, sparkly pink. It kind of depends on what you're going for. Deco page, extra boxes here. You have your boxes. Again, I had Jess do the patterns for these because I thought they'd be so fun and pretty, and I think she nailed them. The full solid boxes, and then you have the bottom washi and the extra box there, and then the freebie is just the confetti because I thought that'd be really cute for like a quote, and then also the Taylor box. So stinking cute. There are add-on options for this. Probably gonna need extras of this, if I'm gonna be honest with you, because I am obsessed with Taylor Swift. That's just my thing this year. Mini kit. There is also the Doodles if you want to add them on, the functional as well as the ombre, the label 2, which again, this one I feel like you could kind of make it your own by adding in colors. If you want to go like all black, even if you want to do very Reputation vibes for when that gets its Taylor version, you could get like multiple of these and do all black, or like take out that one and it'd be very more moody, or you could take out the blue and make it more like pinkish. There's lots of options here. And then there is also going to be the fashion options, which you can remove this box and put that one in. Thought that would look very, very cute. As well as, of course, the Taylor boxes, which Reputation, fave, and then you have these boxes here as well. So you have lots of mixing and matching options, tons of boxes to go through. And that is everything for this week. Again, I'm obsessed. I'm very much so obsessed. We do have eras, and then we also have Birthday Babe along with Dream Plan Do. I will be using all of these kits 100%. There's no other option for me. The 2 new foil bundles this week are epic. We have the restock on the Doodle grab bags, the color of the week, which will be available through Sunday. We also have the Scribblers, the new characters, as well as the new Doodles. It's a stacked week, y'all. We love those. I hope you like everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.